Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain about single sign-on or SSO for shorts. Now, first, let's define what is SSO, okay? So, SSO is an authentication method where we only have to sign in once to access different websites. For example, let's say we have a client here and we also have many websites, like there are n websites here. And with SSO, we only have to sign in once to the SSO instance, sign in, and then with this method, we could access all of these websites. So yeah, wait. So yeah, that's how it works. But no. That's, the simplification of how SSO works. Now, it means, what I mean here is that the implementation won't look like this. And, but, I explain this simplification simply because I want you to understand the main idea of SSO, which is, by accessing an SSO instance so we could enter different websites without logging in. Okay, so let's go into the implementation. Now, suppose that we have three instances here. First one is client, and then we also have a website named example.com, and we also have an instance called identity provider, or IDP for shorts. Now this IDP would become the, where we log in. Yeah, that's where we will do login procedure. Now here is how it works. So first, client want to access example.com. However, since client hasn't been authenticated yet, the example.com redirect the client to the IDP, Yeah. And then because it has been redirected to the IDP, client would, fill up his credential, which are the username and his password. Like, so log in here. If the login is successful, the IDP will give a token. Let's name it as token 1. Now with token 1, we could just access example.com. Access, like, yeah, successfully authenticated. To the example.com. Now, what's make SSO interesting is that when we have another website that uses the same IDP. Now, imagine that there is example2.com here. Now, after the client access example.com, it wants to access example2.com. So it access it, right? Now, because just like before, the client doesn't have the, the token to access example2.com. Therefore, example2.com will redirect redirect, 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 redirect to IDP. just like example.com. Now, however, what makes this time different than before is that when the client accesses an IDP, it doesn't, the client doesn't have to log in again. It only has to give token one to the IDP. Like it is as if saying, hey, I have logged in before. Here's the proof, token one. So please, I want to access example2.com. Just give me the token to access it. And then the IDP will be like, okay, you are right. You already logged in here before. So here, token two um, to access example2.com. So with that in mind, client go to example2.com and then it will be authenticated by it by token two. So yeah, if we like this authenticated by so it should be by giving token. All right, like so, guys. So that's it. That's how SSO works. I guess it isn't really complex. So yeah, I hope you understand about it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.